Welcome to Hatch. This tutorial is all about collaborating with your team using comment pins and tagging. You'll learn how to leave feedback, notify teammates, and link files for seamless communication. You can add comment pins to 3D models, PDFs, and images. First, select a file from the Files tab and click the comment icon at the top left of the screen. For 3D models, adjust the camera to focus on the area you want to comment on. For PDFs or images, zoom in to the desired section. Then, place a pin on the file and type your feedback in the comment box to provide clear guidance for your team. Enhance your collaboration with tagging. Type @ in the comment box to tag a teammate and notify them directly. You can also tag related files or sketches by typing their name, keeping everything connected and easy to access. Collaborate efficiently by resolving comment threads. Click on a pin to view the thread, respond to feedback, and mark it as resolved when complete. This keeps your work organized and ensures nothing is missed. Work with your team in real time. Collaborators can add pins, leave comments, and tag teammates simultaneously, making teamwork faster and more efficient. And that's it. You're now ready to collaborate using comment pins and tagging in Hatch. Start using these features to streamline your team's workflow today.